This is the BIC Bu3 Grip 1.0, and it's a pen, if you guys noticed. And I was very bored recently, and I have actually found out how this works. Yes, it writes stuff. But how does the clicky mechanism work? Well, first you got that button here, and it is on a spring like that connects to like the bottom of the pen, which goes up, down. When you click on it, it goes down. Then connected to the actual pen bit is a little slidey thing like that, and then the pen, it's like that. When you press that down, it goes under there and pushes that across, so it can slide up. Then when you press this in, this actually slides up over, so then it goes out and it locks under here, so it can't go back. So yeah, it's a very interesting video. If you want more amazing videos like this on how this pen works and other things, please subscribe.